Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Today I'm so excited to share this Yoshi crochet with you. This is a design I created many years ago, and now I've finally refreshed it and turned it into a full video tutorial. With this pattern, you can also crochet different colors of Yoshi friends to create your own cute collection. This Yoshi includes several parts to sew together, and it also requires some basic experience with the yarn under, which is X-stitch technique, to help keep your stitches straight and not slanting. I've explained every step in detail, from shaping the head and body to adding the tail, shell, and other parts, so the process is smooth and enjoyable to follow. This full tutorial is available exclusively on my Design Precious members channel. By joining my membership, you'll be able to unlock this video, access step-by-step guidance, and enjoy more exclusive crochet patterns and tutorials as a thank you for your support. I hope this Yoshi brings you joy and inspiration as you crochet along with me. Let's grab our yarn and hooks and start crocheting.